They might be giants.
Boy.
They might be giants. They might be brave. They might be washed. They might be Dr. Spock's backup
To make the merry-go-round go fast so that everyone needs to hang on tighter just to keep from being thrown to the wolves.
Tabloid footprints in your hair. Tabloid footprints everywhere.